getting all the fruit snacks you want. Now, for this next game, this is a game for which we always ask for volunteers before we explain how it works. So let's get 2 volunteers, please. You, sir. You raise your hand right up front. And you, sir. Right there. Yeah, so both of you come up front. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all right!
And the players we need for this game are Brandon and Gabe. Okay, so this is a game of sound effects. Our players are going to be enacting a scene, but they need some realistic Lucasfilm style sound, and we're going to get that from our audience members. Whenever they do an action, we're going to hear awesome special effects. Let's get a suggestion for a place that would be awesome to go for your Leap Day adventure with a family.
A fire hydrant.
Atlantis. Atlantis is pretty darn awesome. I would go there myself. So, players, your suggestion is Atlantis, and our audience volunteers are going to provide the sound effects. Are you ready?
Yes. Jenkins, I am so glad that we made this submarine so that we can go to the legendary city of Atlantis.
Oh, yes, we were in a submarine, but I forgot that's why I was swimming.
Well, it can't hurt the fact that we're halfway underwater. It's a very shoddy submarine.
Hey, what's that? That flashing light.
That is unfortunate. I think our percolator is broken. Let me try to start it again.
Boom!
Let me try harder so it can continue to percolate.
Boom!
One more time. It needs to continue to percolate. It's definitely busted. I don't know what to do.
Well, I'll see if I can fix it. Let me just grab my tool chest here.
That's a rusty tool chest.
I got it from my grandfather.
Well, your grandfather was a spectacular man. I remember him. Let's place it on the... Can we open this? Oh, yes. The drill. That works. Wow, it's a really spunky drill. It started before I even pulled the trigger. Let's see if we can get this percolator going. Bees! It's a bee repellent! Bee repellent! Bee repellent! Please! Die, bee! Die!
Well, now we know why the percolator was broken.
I am so glad your grandfather had that bee spray right there. That saved us in a pinch, man. But he got it. Is that an octopus grabbing our rotiller? It is! What are we gonna do?
It sounds very hungry.
We should feed it.
There goes our first propeller.
Oh, quick before it gets our second one. What should we should get the claw hammer. All right. I got it.
Bong!
I hit the side of the ship.
Bong!
Oh, I hit the side of the ship again.
Well, it makes sense because the octopus is outside.